We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP LaserJet Pro M118 printer. We're going to show you how to replace your drum unit. So if your supply light's been on and you've been getting a warning on your computer saying drum low or replace drum unit, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a very simple process. First thing you need to do is we need to open this top cover in order to access the drum. So what you're going to do is put your finger in this little finger notch on the right side of the printer and lift this top cover until it's in its locked open position. And then when you look inside here, you're actually going to see two separate handles. The one at the bottom is going to be your toner, the one at the top is going to be your drum. But before we can remove the drum unit itself, we need to take the toner out so we can remove the drum separately. So we're going to reach in, we're going to grab the toner cartridge, which is the handle towards the bottom. We're going to pull it straight out. We're going to set our toner on a clean, dry, flat surface. And now we can reach in, we can grab our drum unit. You can grab this little handle and again pull straight out of the printer. So now we've successfully removed our drum unit. Once you have your new drum unit unpacked and ready to go, give it a quick look over, make sure that there's no packaging material anywhere on it. And you're going to take it and you're going to slide it right back down into its position until it clicks down into its locked position. Again, now you got to replace your toner. Put your toner back inside the printer, slide it down until it clicks into its locked position as well. Once that's done, go ahead and close this top cover. Give the printer a second to initialize, and once you see your supply light go off, then you'll be good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply those for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.